GoPro 12. Specs are very similar to GoPro 11.
It looks exactly the same. Well, a little bit of blue here and there. 4K, 16:9, 30 frames per second, horizon lock, high bitrate. What does that mean? High bitrate is the option in the menu. Up to 120, which is, wow, look at that bitrate. On a selfie, horizon lock, what does that mean? It means that I can spin the camera and I will still be in horizon. Go upside down and there you go. Great. 5K, 16:9, 60 frames per second, horizon level. In 60, you cannot go locked. You have level, so it will stay on level to like 30 degrees. And there you go. This is the maximum settings all the way. How can you see me? Regular video stabilization. Let's run a little bit. Running. Let's go wide angle. 4K, 16:9, super wide. Now that is wide. Selfie stick, all the way. Extremely wide. Very wide. Let's hit the button.
A little bit of time lapse for you, but I didn't find slow motion, which is strange. Stiff bicycle without any stabilization at all. A very, very bumpy road, and the video stabilization is awesome. Standard and hyperview is like no difference. They're all the same.
There you go. HDR. Video from the GoPro 12.
I found a very cool fish tank. Well, so little colors for you. Check out that fish. Ooh, let me know in the comments below what kind of fish is that. It is huge. Some kind of predator, I think. Damn. I'm getting hungry. Light flickering, it will flick in 60 really hard. In 50, it's way less, but we can see a little bit of distortions in the video. Like, it doesn't look that awesome, like in Osmo Action. But still, look at that furniture. Wow. I need to buy myself some furniture. I'm still amazed how good is the quality from those tiny sport cameras. Just a couple of years ago, you will need to have a big professional camera to make a video quality like that in low light conditions, well, artificial light conditions. And now, a tiny thing in your hand. Wow, gold table. That's cool. Pictures. Oh yeah, you can make a picture. It is very wide and surprisingly good. Wow, look at that picture. Well, okay, it's not like from the smartphone. Look at the sky. It's overexposed, overblown. At night, it doesn't make a great pictures at night. Let's continue.
I've made the same video with Osmo Action 4. Same weather, same store, same place, same lights, all the same. But for some reason, I'm commenting what I see on the screen. Love that camera. Yeah, it's a little bit darker than the... I've switched the colors to flat. Now that is the difference. Now it's very bright. It's bright like Osmo, maybe even brighter. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Yes.
Unfortunately, night videos are basically unusable. Well, I was hoping for something much better. But it is what it is. Let's move on.
Wide angle, full length of my arm. This is wide, not extremely wide, not hyper view. The next after liner, wide, full length of my arm. There you go. Fanta. For vlogging, how's the audio quality? How's the video quality? Can you vlog from this camera? I think you could. Audio, Bluetooth audio. You think you can use a wireless microphone like DJI or Rode? No, you cannot. I also tried wired connection, but that didn't work. So you will have to have a media mode or a converter for $50. Of course you can connect your favorite earbuds, but like all of them has a bad they have a bad microphones, all of them. Terrible. I think you can hear me. Oh, and you can connect only one device at the time. So if you want to connect your smartphone to it, you have to disconnect your earphones and then search them again if you want to connect to them. It's basically pain in the ass. Every time you have to search for them and click Jesus. You can record in log, but no one will record in log. Come on, this is excellent camera. 8.7, 5x3, all kinds of settings. Well, if we go back, this menu is a bit slow. That animation, I have to wait. Why do I have to wait? This is an action camera, it needs to be quick. Animation, no needed. You can pair your device in there, yeah? Of course. I don't know what happened if I pair my AV receiver. What? It is recognizing my AV receiver, but it's not recognizing a wireless microphones, which is terrible. Maybe the firmware update will deal with it. The battery is, well, I've struggled with that battery a lot. The battery life is, if you're recording in 5K, it's not that great. But charging, wow. I've spent half an hour in restaurant and I charged it for like 15%. Now that is crazy because the action, Osmo action, you will have like 80% in 20 minutes. 80, not 12. Conclusion, GoPro 12. Well, if there is a race between DJI, Osmo Action, and GoPro, nothing changes. They are still at the same distance between usability and video quality. It's a hard choice, but what will you choose? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.